Subscribe Dr. Sadik Mathematics channel for getting more online videos.
Good morning friends, I am your Dr. Sadik. Welcome to Dr. Sadik Mathematics channel. Today we discuss problems on linear equation of first order. What friends? Problems on linear equation of first order. Please hit the like button, share this video and comment in the comment box. Let us see the problems. Solve x plus 2y cube into dy by dx, that is equal to y. That is equal to y. Now I want to reduce this equation into a linear equation. What friends? I want to reduce this equation into linear equation by rearranging the terms. Let us see. Solution. You take y to the left hand side and dy dx to the right hand side. Then we get here x plus 2y cube by y, that is equal to, here you get friends, 1 by dy by dx, 1 by dy by dx, that becomes dx by dy, dx by dy. Now I want to separate the terms here friends, so we get here dx by dy, that is equal to x by y plus 2y cube by y, 2y cube by y. Now you transpose x by y to the left hand side, then we get dx by dy minus x by y, that is equal to, here y in y cube how many times plus 2 times, so we get here 2y square, 2y square. Now this is like dx by dy plus px, that is equal to q. Okay friends, this is like dx by dy plus px, that is equal to q, which is a linear equation, in x friends, linear equation in x. Now you compare these two friends. What is capital P? Capital P is now minus 1 by y, minus 1 by y. Please don't forget minus friends. Okay, please don't forget minus. So P is equal to minus 1 by y. Q friends, Q, that is equal to 2y square, 2y square. Now what is solution of this equation friends? Solution, come on tell me, what is solution? What is dependent variable? X. So x into integrating factor, that is equal to integral of q into integrating factor into dy, dy. Once again friends, what is solution? X into integrating factor, that is equal to integral of q into integrating factor into dy. Now what is integrating factor friends? Integrating factor, e power integral p dy. Integrating factor is e power integral p dy. Now I want to find first integrating factor friends. So integrating factor e power integral p, p is minus 1 by y dy, that is equal to e power, now integral of 1 by y dy friends, 1 by y dy, log y, so we get here minus log y, so that is equal, this can be written as log y power minus 1, log y power minus 1. So the base e friends, we have one formula. What is formula? E power log a base e. What is formula friends? A, that is equal to a. So here we get y power minus 1, that is equal to 1 by y, 1 by y. This is integrating factor. Say this is 1, So this is 2. Now from 2, that means solution, friends. What is solution here? X into integrating factor 1 by y, that is equal to integral of q means 2y square, again integrating factor 1 by y dy, you can write here plus c, friends, plus c, that is equal to y square one time, friends. So x by y, that is equal to 2 into integral of y, friends, y square by 2 plus c, y square by 2 plus c. 2 cancel here. Okay, multiply with y on both sides, we get here x that is equal to y cube plus cy, which is the required solution of given problem. See, friends, this is a little bit different model, friends. So far we discussed the problems dy by dx plus py, that is equal to q. Now here, what is linear equation form, friends? Dx by dy plus px, that is equal to q, friends. That is the difference. Okay, now I compare these two, then we get pq. Simply I find first integrating factor, substitute p here and integrate, then I get 1 by y, integrating factor. So solution, substitute here integrating factor and then integrate, then we get the required solution. Let us see another problem, friends. Let us say the problem: solve dr plus 2r cot theta plus sin 2 theta into d theta, that is equal to 0. Now I want to convert this equation into a linear equation of first order of r, friends, of r. Let us see. Solution, you transpose this term to the right hand side, friends, then I get dr, that is equal to minus of 2r cot theta plus sin 2 theta into d theta. Now dividing with d theta, friends, then I get here dr by d theta, that is equal to, multiply with minus, friends, minus 2r cot theta minus sin 2 theta. Now you transpose minus 2r cot theta to the left hand side, friends, then we get dr by d theta plus 2r cot theta, that is equal to minus sin 2 theta. So this is one. Now which is a linear equation, friends, Come on, tell me, what is linear equation form here? Right, the linear equation form is dr by d theta plus capital PR, that is equal to capital Q, friends, capital Q. Now compare these two, friends, compare these two equations. What is capital P now? Capital P, 2 cot theta, so 2 cot theta. Capital Q, friends, minus sin 2 theta, So what is solution of one, friends? Solution R into integrating factor, that is equal to integral of Q into integrating factor into d theta plus C. This is 2, friends. Let's do. What is integrating factor, friends? What is integrating factor? E power integral P d theta. I want to find this value, friends, first. So e power integral of P is 2 cot theta into d theta, that is equal to e power 2 into integral of cot theta d theta, friends, integral of cot theta d theta. Cot theta means cos theta by sin theta. So it is like integral of f dash of x by f of x dx, friends. What is formula? Log f of x. Log f of x. So this can be written as cos theta can be written as cos theta by sin theta into d theta. That is equal to e power 2 into sin theta derivative is cos theta. So it is like f dash of x by f of x. So log f of x. So here we have sin theta. So log sin theta. That is equal. This can be written as e power log sin square theta. Sin square theta or sin theta whole cube. Base e, friends. Base e. You already know formula. So this can be written as sin square theta. Sin square theta. So integrating factor is sin square theta. Sin square theta. So from 2 r into integrating factor. What is integrating factor? Sin square theta. Sin square theta. That is equal to integral of q. Q is minus sin 2 theta. Integrating factor sin square theta. Sin square theta d theta plus c. So that is equal to integral of this sin 2 theta, friends. Sin 2 theta, that is equal to 2 sin theta cos theta. So minus 2 into, see friends, we have sin square theta into sin theta, sin cube theta into cos theta into d theta plus c. Now again we have a formula, friends. What is formula? Integral of fn of x into f dash of x dx. That is equal to f power n plus 1 of x by n plus 1, friends. Now compare these two, friends. It is like fn of x. So sin theta derivative is cos theta. So what is the result, friends? F power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So minus 2 into sin power we get, friends, 4 n plus 1. So 3 plus 1, 4 by sin power 4 theta by 4 plus c. Therefore solution is r sin square theta, that is equal to 2 times, so minus sin square theta, sin power 4 theta by 2 plus c, which is the required solution of given problem. Once again, friends, I observe the equation which is in terms of r and theta, friends, r and theta. So we can reduce into linear equation by rearranging the terms, friends, So finally I got here like this, dr by d theta plus 2r cot theta, that is equal to minus sin 2 theta. Now this is like dr by d theta plus pr, that is equal to q. Now by comparing we get p, q values, friends, and the solution is r into integrating factor, that is equal to integral of q into integrating factor d theta plus c. Okay, and then integrating factor, friends, I substitute here p value, I integrate, then I get the integrating factor, and I substitute integrating factor, okay, here, and then integrating here by using certain formulas, then I got the required solution. Hope you understand. If you have any doubt or you want any problem or topic, please comment in the comment box. Hope you understand. Thank you for watching this video. Jai Hind.